yang ke trobo chuta ta kang de yo ta lo ya ka khong na nga yi pa ye la pe sho ku chu je
is a bully. CCP is not popular.
Not popular.
Tibet is popular.
Yeah.
Tibet is the cool kid.
Thank you, sir.
We need more awareness. People, it's hard when you live your life. I'm retired. I have the luxury of doing whatever I want. Today, this is what I want.
Yeah. Freedom. You are here.
Today, this is what I want. Free Tibet!
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 Free Tibet! And Tibet is never part of China. We do our own history. We do have everything, whatever you have. You think you guys occupied my country, but you never occupied our heart. So we never give up, we never surrender. One day, we're gonna take our country back.
CCB, get the fuck out!
there you go
Yeah.
POE, get out!